you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new product review to show you that Captivating Crystals is now offering. Do you want to see what they have now? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Captivating Crystals sent me one of their new products. They got a hold of me and they said, I got a new product. I really want you to see it. I think you're gonna love it. So I want to send you 2 of them. I'm like, well, if you're gonna send me 2, can I give one to my viewers? And he's like, yes, you can. So I am going to give one of these to you guys and one of them will be for me. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what their new product is. So again, it is down inside here. This is what I just received. So let's get in here and see. Ooh, I got all kinds of stuff in here. So let's see here. How cute, a little gold envelope. Oh, that's what they have their business card in now. This is their business card for Captivating Crystals. And now they're putting them in these little envelopes. How cute. They're stepping up their game. And then inside this envelope, it's their card. I like that they're putting them in these little gold envelopes now. So let's go ahead and get in here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up one of them and then I'm gonna save one of them for you guys. So I'm just gonna grab, there's 2. I'm just gonna grab one of them and open it up. It's really cute how they're putting them in these little bags. It's all holographic with their logo, and then there's just a little, their packaging is always really, really good. And I've told you guys that, like, they have the best packaging and they always label everything. So this says Labradorite. Ooh. Okay, so let's get this open and see what this is. It is a face roller, you guys. I have never seen one in this, I've never seen one in this crystal before. This is so exciting. So there is that. So it is all crystal. It is a facial roller. Look how cool. So this right here is the facial roller. They are a great way to decrease puffiness, improve blood flow, which firms and brightens the skin. Hey, it can be the best paired with a sheet mask or a serum. You can use a damp towel to clean it. I don't recommend running it underwater. I always use like a damp towel, or I'll use like a makeup wipe, or I'll even use like rubbing alcohol just to wipe the rolls that I use. But I don't ever put this in water because I don't want it to tarnish or rust like the metal that they're holding everything together with. But there's that. Very, very cool, you guys. I really like that. And these feel so good on the skin, especially to rub in like your serums at night or after your face mask to rub in the extra essence that's left on your face. This just feels really good and it gives it a cold feel. And I always love the little coldness to add to it. And it always feels so good. Okay, you guys, so this one right here, this is actually a rose quartz. I'm not going to open it because it says rose quartz right on the side. You're not going to be right there. This right here says rose quartz on the label. So it's not the same exact stone, but I'm not going to open this because this is going to go to one of you guys. I'm going to leave it in the package just how it came. So one of you guys can actually unwrap it and see its beauty, but it's going to look just like this, but in a rose quartz. So if you're interested in getting a facial roller and you would like to enter to win this, then the simple giveaway, as I do all of my giveaway rolls, very, very simple, you guys. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do any of my giveaways, is to give back to those who are here actively, positively supporting me on my channel. And I want to show my appreciation to give back to you. So number 1 rule in all my giveaways, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up, like the video. And then 3, leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, just put enter me and whatever you would like. As long as you have the word enter me, then when I use the random comment picker, I will have it cipher through all of the comments that say enter me. So if you would like to have it, or if you already have a face roller or you're not into that and you don't want to enter, then just don't put enter me in your comment. If you would like to win this, then definitely put enter me in your comment. And again, I will use a random comment picker in 2 weeks. And once the random comment picker does choose the winner, as long as you are following all the rules, I will comment back to your comment comment, and I will tell you congratulations, you are the current winner to this giveaway. You have 48 hours to contact me back. If you do not contact me back within 48 hours, a new winner will be chosen. The new winner has the same rules, so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. Once I get a confirmed win, in the description box down below, which has all the official rules and the official end date, if you have any questions, the official end date will be down in the description box below. But in the description box, I will say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm if it's still in the confirmation stage. If they did confirm, then it will say confirmed. So if it still says has 48 hours to confirm, then hold tight, because if they don't confirm, I might need to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. The only other requirements that I have in my giveaways is you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian or somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you. So I'm communicating with an adult. And you must have a United States address to ship it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I am paying the shipping to a United States residence to ship this to if you are the winner. So United States address. So that is it. Be subscribed, like, leave one comment down below with the words enter me in it, be over the age of 18, and have a United States address. That's it. Short, simple, and sweet. So thank you so much, Captivating Crystals, for sending me 2 of your brand new rollers. So that is what I have to show you guys. Definitely you want to check them out. You can see all the different items that they have. They have new items that they're adding all the time. So always check back to see what they have to offer, or follow them on Instagram, because anything that they do have new and exciting, they do post on their Instagram or their Instagram stories. So if you want to check them out, I will link their Instagram down below as well, so you can keep up with all of the new and exciting items that they have that they're offering on their store. If you do want to check them out, anything on their store, you can use my code SheCrafty, and that will get you 15% off your entire purchase, no minimum required. So even if you would like to get a face roller, pop on their website, use my code, anything on there, crystals, they have box sets, they have all different things on their store that you can check out. So you guys comment down below, have you checked out Captivating Crystals? Have you heard about them? Have you seen my other videos of different unboxings that they have sent to me? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.